Hey guys, I just uploaded another repair video on my 2002 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 Z71 4x4 with 288,864 miles on it. I was having two issues. I was having a hard start issue, and also I got the P0440 check engine light code that came up. And the hard start issue, what I'd have to do is I'd actually have to prime the engine twice. So I put it on the on position, and then I'd turn it all the way over to get the engine to start. Otherwise, it was kind of stalling before it would finally turn all the way over. So you hear the na 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 na, and then boom, it would finally kick over. And then the P0440 code, I got that indicating that there's a vacuum leak. So I replaced the purge valve solenoid, and I went and reset all the codes, and then went through the full cycle, and in the video you'll learn about the full cycle and some of the things that you need to do. And the check engine light has not came back on, so I'm looking pretty good right now. Every great once in a while the truck won't turn over immediately, but most of the time it does now. Also in the video you'll learn about the purge valve solenoid and some of the tricks on how you can make it keep working, and also you will see how to replace it as well. So if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit the like button, the notification bell, so that way you know whenever I upload another video. Now there's a cop behind me, so I'll see you guys later.